Hey, Joe from Boulay's Garage. You ever had one of those days? Well, I had one of those days with this little Mazda Miata here. I replaced the clutch in it, and the original complaint was it was really noisy. The clutch wouldn't disengage, and then it had a really noisy, what I thought was a throwout bearing, but in turn it was a pilot bearing. So this little job should have taken me 4 or 5 hours tops, and it ended up taking me about 10. And if you suspect a noisy pilot bearing in a clutch job you're about to do, you might want to watch this if you have any difficulty getting the transmission out. And I'm just going to show you a real quick clip about what happened. So hopefully it doesn't happen to you. Check it out. Hey, Joe from Boulay's Garage here. So I'm replacing a clutch on a 99 Mazda Miata, and I'm trying to get a good picture for you in here. But anyway, so I've been trying to get this transmission out of this, and the clutch disc is stuck to the input shaft. And what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go in by hand. I'm going to have to make a tool and get all 6 pressure plate bolts out of here. Wish me luck. So doing a clutch job here on this 99 Mazda Miata, and for any of you that have the unpleasant situation where you can't get the transmission out, this is what happened with this one. The pilot bearing was so bad it seized to the input shaft, not allowing me to pull the transmission out. So what I had to do was I had to go through where the clutch arm goes through here, and I had to use 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 14 millimeter, rotate the engine over each one. It took me about an hour to get those out like that, but just throwing this out there. It's happened to me once before. I've been doing this a long time. It had happened to me with an Isuzu Rodeo that had a 4-cylinder in it. So hopefully this will help you if you're in this unpleasant situation. I hope it doesn't happen to you. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll try to do more of them to help you out. Thanks for watching.